आज आप देख रहे हो क्लास 8 इंग्लिश की एक पोयम अ नेशंस स्ट्रेंथ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोइट डू नॉट मेक अ नेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग। ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिनकी वजह से नेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं बनता। आंसर इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोइट नॉट गोल्ड नॉट द स्वॉर्ड नॉट प्राइड मेक अ नेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग। ना तो कोई सोना, ना ही कोई तलवार, ना ही कोई प्राइड यानी गर्व नेशन को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है। व्हाट डू अ नेशन फो डू। फोर्स का मतलब होता है दुश्मन, यानी हमारे देश के जो दुश्मन है वो क्या करते हैं। अ नेशंस फो ट्राई टू डिस्ट्रॉय द नेशंस प्राइड ग्लोरी वेल्थ एंड ट्राई टू हर्ट इट्स डिग्निटी एंड पीपल। यानी देश का दुश्मन देश को तबाह करने, उसके अभिमान, उसके सम्मान को ठेस पहुंचाने और उसके धन दौलत पर नुकसान करने के बारे में सोचता है या फिर करता है। What can happen to a nation's pride? A nation's pride can quickly lose its sheen if God so will it. An act of nature can destroy monuments, towns, places of nature beauty. Question number 4. What are the quantities that make a nation strong? Answer is the men who stand fast and suffer long hours. Brave men who work while others sleep are the men who make a nation great and strong. Question number 5. State the rhyme scheme used in poem. Answer is rhyme scheme is A B A B. Next है passage. Question number A. Whose blood does the line refer to? Answer is the line refer to the blood of the people who have fought or died in battles or war. Question number B. What does the face turn their stone to rust refers to? Answer is the face turn their stone to rust refers to the destruction and deterioration of the monuments, buildings or structure due to the violence and bloodshed. Question number C. Whose glory has diminished? The empire's glory has diminished. Second paragraph, question number A. Who is they in these lines? Answer is the citizen of the country. Question number B. How are a nation's pillar built deep? Answer is the nation's pillars are made deep by the hard work and suffering of citizens of that. Question number C. How are a nation's pillars lifted to the sky? Answer is the nation's pillars are lifted to the sky by seeing the hard work and success due to the pain and suffering of all. Next, think and answer. Question number 1. Who are the real enemy of the nation? According to you, where do these enemy reside, inside in a country or outside? The answer is the enemies of the country reside both inside and outside the country. The inside are the people of the nation who disrespect it. The outside enemies are those who never try to disturb the peace in the country by declaring war or forcefully controlling the country. Question number 2. Why are wealth, pride and war not enough to make a country strong? Answer is wealth, pride and war are not enough to make a country strong. A country rich is wealthy make it prone to war and attack from the rival country. Power and war are the things that have turned the big foundation to fall upside down. The chapter is completed.